Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I make my version of Filipino adobo. Very different from the Latino style adobo, okay? So let's begin. So first things first, I'm gonna talk about the soy sauce. So we're gonna need some soy sauce for this recipe. You can just use whatever soy sauce you have in your pantry. We got some kind of white vinegar. This is a cane vinegar, okay? So whatever vinegar you have, you can use some apple cider vinegar, some white wine vinegar, even balsamic if that's really all you have. You really just want some acidity in the dish. All right, next is some white onions. So this is about 2 medium-sized onions, about 3 cups, I'd say. I like onions in my adobo. I don't think it's traditional, but it just adds some sweetness, I find. So I'm gonna use some in this recipe. Some bay leaves, okay, or laurel as we call it in the Philippines, garlic here, and some cracked black pepper. And that's all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. So you should have everything handy. I mean, I guess the only thing that I'm seeing that you might need to buy outside is the bay leaves. But if you're making chilies and whatnot, you should have bay leaves handy, okay? Some people add sugar. I don't like adding sugar because I get some sweetness from the onions. Other than this, we just have some, yeah, just whatever meat you're gonna use, okay? All right, so for this recipe, I'm gonna use both pork and chicken. You can use beef, you can use even fish, okay? A lot of people in the South, I believe, do it with fish or in the coastal areas of the country. I'm using a bone-in pork butt or pork shoulder, and I just cut it in cubes, okay? About 1.5 by 1.5 inches. So for the chicken, I'm using chicken thighs. This is my favorite cut of chicken, and it's the cheapest as well. So just cut them in a manageable size. So if you watch my tinola video, cut it the same way, okay? And that should be all. Let's get cooking, people. All right, so first things first, make sure that your pot is hot. Get your oil going. I'm using about 3 tablespoons. And at this point, get your onion first. So I'm gonna add some salt just to help the onions with the sweating. Next ingredient is some garlic. I'm putting about 2 heaping tablespoons. At this point, I'm gonna add my bay leaves, some black pepper, and you see the bottom browning like that. I'm just gonna deglaze it with some of my white vinegar. Alright, so I'm gonna add my pork. Add the rest of your vinegar. Alright, so at this point, your magic number is 90. So this is gonna go for about 90 minutes, and you wanna get rid of about 90% of the vinegar, and then we'll add the chicken after. So at this point, you wanna check the bottom of the pan to make sure that there's nothing burning. And as you can see, I added a little lemongrass. It's just hanging out in my fridge, so why not? Alright, so at this stage, we're also gonna add our soy sauce and our chicken. And the reason why we're adding our chicken last is because it takes much faster to cook it than the pork. The chicken is gonna take about 20 minutes only to cook, and you should be good to go after that. Alright guys, so 20 minutes in, and this is how it should look like. Uniformly brown. No chicken is looking paler than the pork despite of it being added a little later. And you should be good. This is best served with some steamed rice, hot, white or brown, whatever you prefer. And if you have any questions about the recipe, comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!